Hi guys, Andrew here, Urban Automotive, local Ontario, Canada. Here to talk to you about this neat little tool we've got here for some exploratory diagnostic investigation here. We've got here is a Chevy Sonic, the little 1.4 liter turbo. This thing's got a really bad noise while it's running, scraping, knocking, rattling. And what we got here is a little borescope here. Come have a look at this screen here, Claire. And so we've got the borescope down in here. We're inspecting the vanes on this, and as you can see, some of them are broken, and if you bring it up around some of the areas, you can see where it's been scraping along the housing and all that. Chances are the bearings on this are out of it, and oops, we're going to lose it. And you can see right there where it's scraping against the sidewall of the housing. So more than likely this thing's got an oil feed issue to the inside of the bearings. Bearings have been destroyed, and now this thing is just basically self-destructing. So you guys have one of these Eco-Tech GM engines, any issues with it, feel free to give us a call here at the shop. Urban Automotive, safety first.